Ladies and gentlemen of the Natural Hair Care Jewelry, hi, I am Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to an unboxing video. This video is part 3 in my Sally Beauty December 50% off sale. In video number 1, I showed you my purchases from the 50% off shampoo sale. In video number 2, I showed you what I purchased from the Sally Beauty 50% off conditioner sale. And in this video, video number 3, I'm going to show you what I purchased from their 50% off stylers sale. First of all, I have to tell y'all, it was slim pickings for this sale. I had already been disappointed really by the conditioner sale because it was a lot of brands and products that have been normally part of the 50% off sale that were not part of the sale, really in the shampoo one too. But I noticed it especially in the conditioner one because, again, conditioning, deep conditioning is my favorite step of wash day, so I tend to pay particular attention to those type products. But even the leave-ins, the moisturizers, either that part of leave-in wasn't even included in the sale, the brands and the lines that we normally see were not included. I also had some problems with ordering stuff online and then being told days later after the one-day sale that the item was out of stock, and so I didn't receive it. So for the styling sale, I decided to do everything in store. I went to 4 Sally Beauty stores. I made purchases from 3 of them, and I still barely have anything to show you. The products that I purchased during the shampoo sale, I tried to purchase the matching products for the conditioner, leave-in, rinse out, deep conditioner, and I'm trying to do the same thing for these styling products. It is very lacking. The first product that I got was the Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Cream Gel. This is 16 ounces. This product was on clearance, even though it doesn't have the clearance sticker on it. This product was on clearance, but it wasn't part of the 50% off sale. This is a styler. Cream gel, this is a styler, and it was not part of the styling sale, even though the shampoo and the conditioner from the same brand and the same line were part of the 50% sale. So I bought this on clearance, but it wasn't 50% off. Another product that was 50% off was this hair wax with shea butter, beeswax, honey, and coconut oil strong hold. So you see they do have the clearance sticker on this one, and this was 50% off. So I bought this. This is 2 ounces. This is something that I'm hoping to use as like an edge control. I'm not gonna read the directions and stuff now, y'all. We're gonna be surprised. A similar product that I bought that was also on clearance is the Proclaim Olive Edge Gel. This is 2.3 ounces, and I believe it's a similar type product, but it was on clearance and it was 50% off, so I bought that. Not part of the styling sale, but just something that I saw in the store that was discounted, and I purchased it because I liked it before, and it's very hard for me to find. I think this is discontinued. This is the Silk Elements Pure Oils Conditioning Line Cleansing Co-Wash, and this is 8 ounces. And I believe I paid $1.50 for this. Y'all know I was not finna leave that on the shelf. I asked the lady to check the back. I looked behind products on the same shelf, one above, one below, and no. But y'all, hold on, I'm looking at this. Oh, okay, it's about right up to here. Cause I seen some empty blank, I seen some empty space up in here. But no, I got this, and if you recall, when I tried this product, I think I have a review video for this, but when I tried this product, I said that this was pretty much like a shampoo. I actually preferred this over the shampoo. I did buy the shampoo to this line, but this is the co-wash. I really liked it, and for $1.50, it was coming home with me. I bought a product from this brand and line for a family member, and this was standing right next to it, so I just bought this. This is the Luster's Curl and Wave Gel Activator. This is 6 ounces, and I believe this was, I don't know, this might have been $2 or might have been like $1 something, but it was right next to something that I purchased for somebody else, and it was on sale, so I picked it up. To match the shampoos and the conditioners that I bought, I got the Ion Curl Solutions Curl Shaping Cream. This is 6 ounces. And then from that same line, I got the Curl Styling Cream and the Curl Texturizing Spray. And that's these 2 products. Sorry about that glare, but that's these 2 products. I didn't see a styler or anything for the detox line that I bought. They had like a spray leave-in, and either it wasn't part of the sale, or I don't know, I just wasn't interested in getting it. I can't remember either one, but the detox line did have, it was either, I think it was like a leave-in treatment or leave-in spray. It was a spray product like this for the detox line, but I didn't get it. And finally, a product that I'm very interested in trying. It is not part of any of the shampoo or conditioner brands and lines that I bought, but it's something that I already have on my shelf. And this is the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Plus Coconut Oil Ultra Hold Gel. Now, I didn't even know that they had a gel in this line. I don't know if this is a new product or if it's old and I just didn't hear about it or see it. But when I bought the other products in this line a while back, I don't remember them having a styling gel. Maybe they did and I just didn't get it, but this is an Ultra Hold Gel. I am interested to use this styler with the other products in the Curl Quench Plus Coconut Oil line. I might go back with the Vanilla Bean line that I just did an Alphabet Series video on, in which I did not have a styler. Y'all, please check out that video. It's so funny. But because I had a leave-in and not a styler, I think I might go back, use those products, and then use this as the styler, and then see how that goes. Y'all let me know if you think that'll be a good video. I was so excited to see that product, y'all, that I bought 3 of them. Come on now, y'all. They was on sale, 50% off. And a gel. Y'all know that's my favorite type of styler. Come on now, come on now. Come on now. Come on, man. And y'all, that's it. It was real slim pickings on the styling 50% off Sally Beauty sale. I was very disappointed. I was really disappointed and underwhelmed in this year's entire Sally Beauty December 50% off sale. It was definitely not like it has been in any other year. Very just like slim pickings. So many brands and lines and products excluded from the sale. I'm surprised that I found the amount of products that I did find. I got 11 products from 6 different brands. Not even half of them correspond to the shampoos and the conditioners that I purchased, or maybe just half of them. I was really struggling to like find products to buy on the styling day. And then they had a hairspray day, and I said that I was going to check to see if any of the products on hairspray day, you know, happened to coincide with what I had bought, or maybe they had, you know, slipped in a styler, or you know, something else might have been 50% off. And I think I took a quick glimpse, y'all, but I didn't see nothing I liked, so I just clicked off the website. This sale by far is the most disappointing, but I did pick up a few things. I do have quite a few new products from these 50% off Sally Beauty December sales. You know it's going to take a while for me to use them. However, comma, if you want to see me use something sooner rather than later, you can do that by sponsoring a video. And you can do that by donating to my Cash App or my PayPal. Or if there's something that you didn't see that you want me to try, you can send it to me to my post office box, and that will jump to the head of the line and be demoed and reviewed before I do everything else that's already on my shelf. And y'all know it's a lot. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share this video, share this series of videos, share my channel with everyone you know. Until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.